the narrow zone of the contact between the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere where life exists. Okay, bacha? And ecosystem means life supporting system. Ecosystem means everything, human beings, plants, animals are immediate surroundings. Okay, that makes the ecosystem. System where living organisms are interrelated and interdependent on each other for the survival. Plants provide food, provide shelter and provide oxygen and protect the soil, help in the storage of underground water. Okay. Wildlife means it includes animals, bird, insect as well as the aquatic form of life. Animals are integral to maintain balance in the ecosystem. Vulture feed the dead livestock and is considered a vital cleanser of the environment. That means we all are interdependent on each other. Now let's move to the next slide. This chapter in the regular class, I am going to explain you everything. Sari cheeze I am going to explain you, don't worry. But right now, you have to see only the main points, the important points. Forest associated with areas having abundant water supply and heavy rainfall. Grasslands, short stunted trees and grasses, grow in the region of moderate rainfall. Shrubs, plants have deep roots and leaves with the thorny and weak surface, grow in dry region or low rainfall. That means we can see because of the climate, okay, because of the climatic condition, because of the rainfall, okay, we can see these changes. Last is tundra, comprise of mosses and found in cold polar regions. Okay, बच्चा कहाँ मिलता है ये? Cold polar regions. Now let's see the next slide. Conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife. How we can protect these things. Causes of loss of natural habitat, climate change, human interference. Many species have become a very sensitive and of course with the passage of time वो खत्म होते जा रहे हैं. Some are on verge of extinction. ठीक है, कुछ तो बिल्कुल ही खत्म हो गए हैं. Human and natural factor which accelerate the process of extinction. Deforestation सबसे पहला, soil erosion and the construction, forest fires, tsunami, landslides. These are the examples जिसकी वजह से we can see decrease. Poaching result in sharp decline in number of particular species. That is known as poaching. Poached for the collection and illegal trade of the hides, skin, nail, teeth, horns, feature, etc. So now the people are making the use of these things and they are also killing the animals. Such animals are tiger, lion, elephant, deer, black buck, rhinoceros, snow leopard, ostrich and peacock, etc. So this is also our responsibility because of the the activities, the human activities. We can see this thing. Okay, bacha. Conservation of wildlife and vegetation. National parks, wild sanctuaries and biosphere reserves. So we people are, okay, the people and the government is doing the best to protect the wildlife. Social forestry, okay bacha, should be encouraged at the regional and community level. Awareness programs, so that people should be aware and they should conserve and protect the wildlife. Passing of law against killing and trade of bird and animal. In India, killing lion, tiger, deer, great Indian, okay, and the peacock is illegal. अगर आप ऐसा करते हैं then you will get punishment, of course. Okay बच्चा? And of course the conservation on international trade in endangered species of the wild fauna and flora has been established so that they can conserve these things. Lists of species of animals and birds in which trade is prohibited. That means people are not allowed to trade these animals. Okay. Roughly 5,000 species of animals and 28,000 species of plant are protected by the government. Now, bacha, we are going to play quiz. Okay. The students who all are asking me doubt, I am